Chief guest of today, Dr.D.Surendaran M.PhD, founder of CEO SKSQ Person Private Limited, Kanpur, our principal, HOD of CSE Department, Mr. S.Vimalkumar, staff members, and my two students. I feel immense pleasure to present over this novel function. First of all, I would like to convey my thanks to our seniors, whose respectable presence on this occasion. Dear students, associations are formed in order to improve the skills and to bring the wide thinking in you. So the various activities like conference, seminar, guest lecture, workshop, technical symposium, paper presentation, etc. are conducted periodically throughout the year. Today's work has become highly technical and many new ideas and techniques are invented to share with them. Hence, it becomes very essential that you also should be well equipped with the latest technological ideas. I hope today's speakers will enlighten you with these valuable views and share these ideas and experiences. I wish you all to take these ideas and views and try to come out with many innovation thoughts and techniques. By using the various opportunities provided in our college and outside the college, you also become highly qualified and skilled engineer in the future. And below all that, the Sudan started this college with the motivation of producing highly skilled and well-disciplined engineers who will contribute more to our country's development. So I hope you all will try to fulfill this dream by bringing fame to our institution and also to your parents. I wish the association grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Only those who are sincere can be persistent, dedicated, and devoted to the job. One such dedicated and devoted person is our respected principal, Dr. M. Ramesh sir, whom now I invite to deliver his address.
With the blessings of our founder, Dr.D.Surendaran sir, our beloved correspondent ma'am, R.THAMIZHARASAN, Dr. today's association inaugural chief guest, Dr. Surendaran, founder, CEO, SKS Skill Fastness Private Limited, Kanpur, Professor S.Vimalkumar, Head of the Department, Computer Science and Engineering, faculty members, non-teaching staff members, and my dear students. Good morning, everyone. The new technologies are evolving rapidly around us. Every day, it's new technologies emerging across the world. So we have to learn more deep in the emerging technology. So first, plenty of opportunities, job opportunities available in the IT sectors, like programming, development, testing, support, and maintenance, etc. But we have to keep on our eyes in the emerging technology. What are the qualities or skill set need to enhance ourselves to get the safe and secure job? Nowadays, industries are, during the recruiting process, industries are not only expecting technical knowledge. Apart from the technical knowledge, They are expecting that employment skill set, like problem solving skills, analytical ability, communication skill, your perseverance, and attitude. These things are expecting from the students during the hiring process. So the association, it's not only used to improve your technical skills, because every day is a lot of emerging technologies are coming across the world. So all the emerging technologies are cannot incorporate our syllabus and the curriculum. So we don't have the time to learn all the technology within the 4 years. So through this association, so we invite the expert member from that industry interact with us to learn the new technology in the short span of time. Your department association so not only support to enhance your technical skills, it's a indirectly support to improve your communication skills, developing that leadership, then develop that network along with the peer groups. And also, you can see that in front of the founder statue, it's good rangoli, it's present by the girls. It is a very good, it showcases your talent, your hidden talent. Okay, so the association is indirectly support to bring your hidden talents. It's the you may know nowadays that all engineers are talking about that emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cyber security, data science, so virtual reality, Internet of Things, and so on. Okay, so that engineering students, you may know this is a buzzword in all colleges and then all the engineering students. But this emerging technology is not applicable for the CSE discipline students. It is common for all discipline engineering students. Anyone can learn the AI, ML, then IoT. So you have to improve your competencies level. You may get that good job. You may get that good package after completion of your 5 years. So then CSE IT students, you have to improve your competency level, then only you will get the good job. Because then other department students also compete in your field. So then even though fashion technology students also studying the IoT then ML. Okay, so then you improve your skill set, then only you able to get that good job. Continuous learning, it's essential for all. It's you may know, so nowadays many college students are pursuing that cloud computing certificate course, AWS, some Amazon Web Service, then other cloud platform certificates to get a good job. Though over the period, it will be absolute. So cloud computing will absolute over the period. The new technology will come. It's a edge computing. So easily the data processing, we can retrieve the data in the any remote places. So over the period, so the new technology will come. So we are ready to learn that new technology. So the continuous learning is essential for all the students. So I requested in this gathering to all the second year and third year students, start from the third semester itself and fifth semester itself. You have to do the one mini project from each semester. Then only able to get a good idea and good practical skills during your college days. So there is no problem when you attend that placement recruitment process or the on-campus or that off-campus. It is no problem. So the next one, so start from that third year itself. So usually you talk in English. So this practice should come from the day one itself. So normal conversation should be in English. So you don't bother about when you appear in that interview, the flow would come. You don't bother about your communication. So within the few words, I would like to conclude my speech. So I hope that Southern Association could organize that more program for our betterment of students. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The Lord who acts as a pillar of support and strength with a clear vision and passion, enfield with novelty in all the activities of the department, is our executive sir. Now I would like to invite Mr. K.M.Shivakumar sir, head of Department of CSE, to give the office bearing introduction.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, my dear faculty members and my dear students, good morning to all. I am very delightful to introduce the office bearers of Association of Computer Science and Engineering CHIP for the academic year 2023-24. First and foremost, Chief Patron of Association, Dr. Dr.D.Surendaran, our beloved correspondent ma'am, Patron, Dr. Ramesh, our respected principal sir, convener, myself, coordinator of association, Mr. N. Ashok assistant professor. Secretary, Sylvan P. Dinakar, final year. Joint Secretary, Sylvan R.Manikandan III CSE. Executive members, B.A. Angita of second year, S.B. Karthik of second year, K. Swati of third year, Jayraj third year, Sendalam final year, Surya Kumar from final year. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Then, I would like to call upon Selvan R.Manikandan, Joint Secretary of 3rd year CSE, to read out the association activities of year 2023 to 2024.
Good morning to one and all present over here. First of all, I introduce myself. I am R.Manikandan, Joint Secretary of 3rd year CSE Department, and association activities for the academic year 2023 to 2024. We are planned to conduct one-day workshop on AWS infrastructure in cloud in October 2023. After plan to conduct one hands-on training of network stimulator in November 2023. Plan to conduct one-day workshop on virtual mission whereby first week of February 2024. After plan to conduct TrendTech, a national level technical symposium by the second week of February 2024. Plan to conduct theory of computation in second week of March 2024. Plan to conduct international conference by last week of March 2024. Plan to conduct valedictory function by the third week of April 2024. Thanks to all.
Thank you, Manikandan. Success doesn't happen overnight. It is a fruit of continuous endurance and hard work. One such person with excellent qualities is our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr.D.Surendaran, founder and CEO of Skills Partners Coimbatore, to address the gathering.
Happy morning to one and all present over here. Success is not a destination, it's a journey marked by hard work and guided by wisdom. Achieving this journey is an inspiration to all of us. I'm delighted to introduce to you Dr. D.Surendaran, founder and CEO of SK Skills Partners Coimbatore, who has kindly agreed to be our chief guest for this memorable function. Our esteemed chief guest, Dr. D.Surendaran, has 25 years of teaching experience in various reputed institutions of Coimbatore, which includes Government College of Technology, Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology, PPG Institute of Technology, and also he worked in Madras Institute of Technology, Chennai. Sir has done 2 projects in the title of Development of Front-End Tools for Semantic Grid Services and Center for Advanced Computing Research and Education. He successfully implemented a DST TIBE funded project in the title of Design of Personal Assistance System for Alzheimer's patients with a grant of 57.7 lakhs. Sir holds 2 published patents in the title of Bodyguarding and Painter. He supervised 9 scholars for PhD and supervising 11 scholars currently pursuing PhD. He authored more than 70 articles featured in prestigious international journals. Through his diligent efforts as part of organizing team for 10 international and 2 national conferences demonstrating his dedication to forecasting academic exchange on a global scale. He was recognized with GCS Best Project for the undergraduate project titled GPS Tracker. He successfully launched corporate training for XPU, RIGMOS, and TNAU and Higher College of Engineering and Technology, Muscat. We are honored by your presence on this inaugural function, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Shelva. Now comes the most awaited session of this function. I mean the chief guest address. Now I invite our honorable chief guest, Dr. D.Surendaran sir, founder and CEO of SK Skills Partners, Coimbatore, to address the gathering.
Very good Manikandan, very good Pranam Sefal, very good R.THAMIZHARASAN, very good Sindhitullah. Very warm good morning to each and all, and it's really a memorable occasion. The ages of the founder and the correspondent, so prestigious institution. And thanks for giving me an opportunity to address with you all. So it's way back in 2010 I have been here for a CSE event. I just bring back my memories back to be here in PNMJ some 13 years back. Okay, now this association, why? Because what is the need of this association? And so when I come to address this kind of gathering, I used to remember when I was a student and listening to these kind of sessions, right? What kind of mood we have been into, and we were in that generations. The technology is limited in the sense that we need to depend only on books, physical hard books. Internet has not come in our days. And now we call the whole world to be open. Open in the sense that anything, any knowledge is there is very open. But still, when it comes to the skill development, when you look at the skill development, it's very less when compared to the open knowledge that is available. Now it's very strange here to know. So here is this particular point. I need to strongly emphasize and insist on the need of these kind of association activities. So, more specifically, this association helps you in grooming your extra, or rather I call it as like beyond your classrooms. So, more specifically, academics meant to learning in your classroom. But still, beyond that, there are certain things which make you a true professional. So, a true professional, for that particular reason, the very first important trait of a professional is lifelong learning. So, you cannot say that it's done. I don't have to update. More specifically, professionals, it may be any kind of profession. It's growing in such a way that every second the growths are exponential. I mean to say that now every now and then we have new advancements here and there. Now, why we have this association activities, or what is the need of this association? More specifically, I call it as a society. Now, predominantly right from the beginning, so here it helps you to improve your leadership abilities and your team abilities, how you make as a team and how you sensitize yourself and how you make your peer events that will be conducted. Now, here is this particular point. More specifically, I wanted to tell you one thing is the opportunities are plenty. For that particular reason, I just wanted to share one particular statistics is now the current state of the global IT industry. If a company is trying to get a qualified person for their domain, they get in the ratio 1:3. What do you mean by 1:3 is that if they were trying to get 3 persons, they get only 1 person with the right skill. So, still, for every opportunity, you have twice the more number of opportunities. Fine. And when looking into the global perspective, India is looked upon with the whole world for our skilled population in the age group of 16 to 30. Population still can be, here is this particular point, it's our strength. And as a medium of instruction is English. And with technical, strong backgrounds, we still happen to be, India happen to be, now we can say the technical superpower of the world. So a lot of opportunities, like every country, you can see Germany, Europe, Canada, all these countries need a huge potential of technical expertise. Right? So for that particular reason, I don't want to say that opportunities are only in overseas or abroad. Opportunities are still here in India. For the past 4 years, 2018 to 2022, the Indian industry, or more scale, the Make in India, R.THAMIZHARASAN project, all these projects have contributed in such a way that we have lots and lots of successful entrepreneurial startup companies in India. So we started doing our own indigenous products, right? So here in this association, what I mean to say here is that you form, like those who are office bearers or others, you take your own self-interest, right? And find out the right technology, more specifically. Now, every now and then, like if you say AI, so we have this ChatGPT, we call them as ChatGPT, we call them as LLMs, large learning models. There are a lot of opportunities in this LLM because every domain is going to be revolutionized with this AI. So I don't mean to say that there's one domain. It's universal. It's very, very universal. With the smartphone, it has changed the walks of life. Now, basically, you cannot say that IT is a different field. So now, information technology or computers are integral part of every domain. Maybe civil engineering or biological life sciences. It may be anything. Now here at this particular forum, I wanted to put one particular appeal excuse me, here is try to have some kind of coding events where you have ACM, IEEE kind of problems you can try, the hacker night challenges, and lead code communities. So you can create student chapters of that, and you can just make your institution a host to that particular events, and you can participate in that particular events as well. Right? So more number of societies, technical societies, right? And I don't here see that we need to restrict only to technical stuff here. Now you can try your outreach activities, right? You can reach to some schools, rural schools. You just give them some social awareness, like kind of outreach programs for schools, rural schools, and you can help self-help groups, women self-help groups. Right, you can teach them basic computer handling skills like PowerPoint, Office kind of stuff. Now here there is a tremendous need of what you call digitalization. Everywhere you can see e-seva service that will be provided. Now it's just picking up. So not restrict only to within the institution, reach out to the communities as well. And again I say still there is an opportunity, and what I mean to see here is that your leadership abilities and your community abilities are very well showcased in these kind of associations. So it's again an opportunity to join hands to make your group and set an example for the forthcoming years, forthcoming juniors to inspire and to continue this particular journey. So to add with, these are the things I just wanted to add with your existing association activities. And second thing is try to look into some good kind of certifications. Self-learning MOOC platforms like Coursera, NPTEL is there, NPTEL, Coursera, and kind of that kind of like Google, even Microsoft. All these platforms give you some MOOC courses, self-learning, self-paced MOOC courses. Do complete them, take that particular courses and put it in your digital profile. And second thing is, I can see majority with this 25 years of teaching, with these gadgets into the field, I can see a lot of distraction among the students. So try to use these gadgets in the right sense. And I just wanted to put you here that minimize your social networking and increase your professional networking. So that's LinkedIn and Twitter. So I mean to say that LinkedIn and Twitter. Now, from 5 years down the line, your hiring is going to be through LinkedIn. You put your portfolio, you put your resume, and it is open that the companies will reach to you. So here is this case that you don't have to wait for the companies to come to you. You don't have to go to the company. The company will come to you if you have the right skill, and that has been showcased. And every one of you, please do create your Git account. So create your GitHub account. Anything which you do, it may be a small coding, it may be a mini project, anything, put it in your Git repository. And do give your Git repository ID in your LinkedIn profile. And likewise, a lot of such kind of profiles. If you are a creative director, you just do this creatives and animations kind of things. You have another portal called as Behance. You can put your portfolio over there. And a lot of gig opportunities. Like here, I see it's in our days we used to say that when the celebrities go to study in developed countries, they say they study as well as do part-time. Now here in India also there is an opportunity. You can do your internship. By the way, not disturbing your regular academics. Still, I know a few of my students who have been working as interns, parallelly pursuing their undergrad. So opportunities are plenty. The thing is that we need to reach to it. Fine. So with this few note, and again I say that don't limit to technical problems alone. The opportunities are plenty. Excuse me. So I just wanted to tell you here is that how many of you have known Madan Gargi? Have you heard of Madan Gargi? son of Vairavathuru. Now he's a computer engineer. He's a computer engineer, and he's now has developed an AI system which generates lyrics. You give a situation, and this AI tool will create a lyric. It creates a song of its own. His setup is called as Gargi Labs. Now I'll tell you the idea. So what he has done is, we have some classical dictionaries. We call them as Nigandan Solomon. What do you mean by Nigandan is that you have multiple synonymous names for a single object. For say, elephant has 260 names in Tamil. There are 260 names, but likewise, like every object and everything have multiple names. So this guy has created a corpus of classical Tamil words, and he has a training algorithm. By which he has trained in such a way that once you give a scenario or a situation, this tool automatically creates lyrics. Fine? So, and I've seen most of the guys playing very busily with games. I used to tell them, how long you are going to play with games when you will start developing your game. That's the change we should think. You used to say it's impossible. Definitely it's possible. So I'll tell you a simple mantra that if you want to be a successful person in one domain, it needs 10,000 hours of practice. How many hours? Exactly. It's possible. It's really possible. So I will say that I'm also a kind of a very average student when I was doing my computers 95, 99 in Kumaraguru, and S.Vimalkumar sir happens to be my proud junior. Still that days we remember. And I took the profession of teaching. I've been teaching for 25 years. And I'm proudly and I humbly say that I've seen near about 6,000 students. And this happens to be a great journey. And I'm very, very contented with the kind of thing which I've given to the society. And every one of us have an opportunity, and then it's our duty to reach out to the society. So I used to question everyone, like you're studying, you get a job, you earn, you create your property and wealth. What next? Here is where the society comes into the picture. Think that our beloved founder has created an institution. It shows his concern to the society, what he can give back to the society. Philanthropy, giving back to the society. Whatever you get is got from the society. You need to give it back to the society. So, for that, try to have some kind of outreach activities also as a part of your association. Likewise, try to develop some systems for your institution as well. It's very good opportunity. So, you have your campus, you have your classrooms, so you can develop some systems. So AI systems, kind of monitoring systems, kind of stuff, right? So the opportunities are plenty. And again, I say, try to participate in hackathons, coding competitions. For that, you create your own self groups, your peer groups. You form groups. Some of you will be taking the lead, and I will be representing this group. And it's your responsibility to pull your peers and make them a group and keep on posting them the events and to get the problem statements and kind of curating. So you pull your alumni also. Okay? So this is where you learn of yourself, self-responsible, and how you do with the help of mentors. Yes? So this is a brief that say where there is a will, there is a way. And now with the connected world, the opportunities are limitless. You can reach to the entire world. Okay, with these few words, and I wish this association a great success this year 2023 and 2024. And once again, I thank for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are deeply honored to have you as the chief guest and would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for gracing us with your presence. Your participation has added a great value to our event. and we would like to commemorate this special occasion with a memento. Likewise, I would like to invite our beloved correspondent Ma'am Bharat Shiromani, Dr.